There are all sorts of differences with animals. One of the biggest differences is their eyes. So let's have a look at some eyes and sketch them out. First, let's look at the cat's eye. The biggest shape I can see is going to be a circle, but it's kind of hidden by the eye line. Like, it's kind of like a curved arch. So if we draw in the eyeball, which is that round shape, and then use this swinging arch like this. And then draw in that black outline just around the eyeball. Kind of like this. And then from there, we can draw in the slit of the pupil, which is an angled line that goes something like this. And we can erase the lines that we don't want and start blocking in the details that make it up. So I might darken the dark fur around the eyes like this. And I'm using short strokes because cats have fur. So we want to get that kind of texture. And if we want to start detailing the eye just a little bit more, some key points are the reflection of the eyes. So mapping in these kind of shapes. And it's a sphere, the eyeball is a sphere, so you can lightly shade in the spherical shape of the eyeball. So that's how you get started with a cat's eye.